Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm perfectly all right. How about you? How are you doing?
I am also doing great.
Okay, that's amazing. Since it's a weekend, do you have any plans for weekend?
No, I had plans, but in the morning itself, I have done. I had to go for shopping and I had gone and I have finished all my work. Now there is a power cut, and once electricity will come, I will take a nap.
Okay, that's great. What a coincidence. The topic that has been assigned to us is about shopping.
Yes, yes. My intention was not only for going shopping, I had to go for some other work for the purpose of updating my Aadhaar card. And that is why I had gone. And on the way to the office where I had to go, I prefer to buy some dresses for myself.
Okay, that's great. So you can say I had to run some errands.
Okay.
Okay, please read it. I've written it in the chat box.
I had to run some errands. Okay.
So errands are like any work, going to bank, getting your passbook updated, or as you said that you had to change some details related to your Aadhaar card. So such kind of work is, we can call it errands. Okay,
Okay.
great. That's amazing. And what are your plans for tomorrow since it's a Sunday? Do you have any special plans for tomorrow?
On Sundays, I prefer to stay at home and relax. I don't go anywhere. But in the evening, if my kids insist to go, then only we go to eat something, for example, ice cream or to have some snacks or chaat.
Okay.
So then we go. Otherwise, I prefer to stay at home because these days our city has become very crowded and it's very hot. Stepping
Mm-hmm.
out is very difficult. I don't want to step out because it's very hot. It's very sunny.
Mm-hmm. That's also a problem. You said that our city has become crowded. Why do you think it has become crowded all of a sudden?
I don't know. It's been 3, 4 years. It's very crowded now. Everyone is going to buy a car. Everyone has their own Activa or bikes. That might be the reason. And there are so many autos around. So that is also an issue.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so there's too much traffic on roads nowadays, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It's very crowded,
Or you can say the roads are always jam packed,
jam-packed. Okay.
right? Okay, great. So, would you like to proceed with the topic? The topic is shopping experiences. We'll talk about a few shopping experiences that you have had lately, and you being a shopaholic or not. So, shall we proceed?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Okay, great. So, as the title of the topic has this word shopping spree, do you have any idea what shopping spree means?
When we go for shopping without any intention and we end up buying so many things without worrying about the prices.
Mm. Okay, it means you just pick things or you choose things. It means you shop hurriedly in a very, you don't care about the price or something. You try to grab as many things as possible without caring too much about the price and other things. Okay, so it means
Yes,
maximum shopping in less amount of, like, more shopping in less time.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, great. So moving forward, I would like to ask you, would you call yourself a shopaholic? Are you a shopaholic? Yes, Rajni, was there a power cut?
Yes, yes, there is a power cut and my inverter has gone down.
Okay, it's a common problem nowadays since winds are blowing everywhere in northern part of India. So there is, more power outage these days. Is
Yes,
it the
yes.
same?
I am connecting through my mobile phone from my data network, but it will also go down very soon. So I thought of talking to you for a while.
Let's see how it goes. Okay, fine. So you we were talking about your shopping experiences, and my question to you was that are you a shopaholic?
No, I'm not a shopaholic because I am a kind of person who go to the market whenever it is needed. If I actually want to buy something, then only I go to the market, and I go with the intention that I have to buy these products. I make a list and then only I go and I end up buying the same products and go back. I don't
Oh,
I
that's
don't
great.
believe I don't believe in spending a lot of money unnecessarily.
That's great. That's wonderful. So you never check unnecessary stuff.
No, I don't. If I have to buy, if I have to buy some dresses for me, some yes, I like to shop around. I compare the prices. I go to a couple of shops and I compare the prices, and then only I buy the better product. And but if I don't need something, then I don't prefer to go to the market.
Okay, that's great. That's so nice of you. Okay. Otherwise, women are known for their impulsive shopping behavior because some women they find it very difficult to hold themselves back. They end up buying something or the other thing even when they don't need it. I'm
Yeah.
sure that you will also agree with me. What do you think?
Yes, yes. If we go for window shopping, then definitely if the shopkeepers are recommending some products, then definitely we end up buying some unnecessary stuff. So that is why I don't go whenever I need, then only I prefer to go.
Oh, that's great. That's great. What are some of your favorite shopping places where you shop from?
There are a lot. Here there is a mall, Ansal, and I go there. Best Price is also there. Vishal Mega Mart and Shoppers Stop is also there. So I go there and I buy from there. And sometimes I have some selective shops. For example, the small shops for my dresses. I go to those shops also. I prefer going there because I can try it on and I can buy the products. I can touch them and examine those products before buying them.
That's great. So, what do you prefer, online shopping or offline shopping?
If I have to buy the products, for example, my dresses or kids' dresses as well, or some shoes, then I prefer to buy through offline because we can examine the products and try it on. Otherwise, if it comes to grocery items or books, so or my makeup products, those products I can buy through online.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. What are the benefits of online shopping according to you? Would you like to elaborate what, according to you, are the benefits of online shopping?
Online shopping, we can get the products available at our doorstep, and there are variety of products available from which we can choose. If it comes to offline, we have to go all the way to the market to buy something. So sometimes we have to refund the products. Then I find it difficult to online mode.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true. Online shopping has its own pros, as you said that we can buy products without. It's not at all time consuming. When you go to market, it can be very time consuming. In this hot weather, nobody would want to step out of their homes,
Mhm.
right? Everyone
Yes,
would
yes.
want to shop within the comfort of their own, because, as you said, that products are delivered at your doorstep, so you don't have to even go out and waste your time, right?
Yeah,
And it comes with a wide range of payment options. You can have CODs, or there can be, UPI payments, or you can make use of e-wallets. That's also a convenience, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. That's great. And what are some benefits of offline shopping?
For offline shoppings, we often have some selective shops where we go and the shopkeepers already know us. If we have to, we can get some discount as well. And if we want to refund the product after buying, then also we have that kind of option available. And we can touch the product. As I said, that we always have the option that we can examine the product well before buying. Sometimes through online we buy some dresses which in picture it is shown differently, like the color of the color of the dress is completely different.
That is true. That is true. Even I have observed. So, would you like to speak about any of your worst shopping experiences? I'm sure that somewhere or the other, we all do not get products the way we wanted them to be or the way we expected. So, would you like to speak about any of your worst shopping experiences so far?
Yes, last year I had bought some dresses for myself. It was a kurti and salwar, and I had given the order for four dresses, and through Flipkart. And the dresses were not good. The color was not real. I mean, the color as it was shown in the picture, it was not close to that.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why I didn't like those product, and design was also it was looking very cheap. But when I saw the picture, it was really beautiful. So that is why
Mm-hmm.
my experience was not good at that time. So after that, I never bought dresses from Flipkart.
Okay, you're really disappointed by the services provided by
Yes.
Flipkart. Okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Whenever I have to buy something, I go for Flipkart, either from Amazon. Earlier, my experience was good because I always buy some makeup products, books through online. My experience is always good, but when it comes to dresses, it was not good.
Hmm. If you want to buy makeup products, I think Nika is the best app that you
Nice.
can use.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can find all makeup products there. That's one of
Yes,
I don't
yes.
use makeup, but whenever I order from my Nika, no other app.
Okay. So
Okay, that's great.
do you buy your dresses or some wearable products through online, or do you prefer offline?
Nowadays, I'm very much into Insta. I have bought a few dresses from Insta. Yeah, there are some pages. Of course, you will have to be very vigilant because nowadays you cannot trust all these pages. Some pages are even fake. But yeah, lately I have been into shopping. I do order from other websites as well. I don't go out frequently for shopping, to be honest. Who would go out in such hot weather? So when everything you can get at the convenience of your home. So I would say that I have ordered many dresses through Instagram. There are some reliable pages where I buy from. So yeah, my experience has been good so far.
Okay, great.
Yes. Okay. So I would want to know how are you as a person when it comes to spending money? Oh, are you a spendthrift? Are you frugal, or are you someone who is very miser?
I'm not a miser, but I spend money very considerably. If I need something, then only I buy. I don't spend money on unnecessary things.
Hmm. So then you can call yourself a frugal person, right? You are very
Frugal.
frugal. Frugal is someone who spends money wisely, doesn't waste money.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, then I am a frugal person.
Yes. And spendthrift is someone you already know that spendthrift is a person who spends money blindly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother is that kind of person.
Is there anyone who you think is an impulsive buyer from your family?
Yeah, I can say my brother is that kind of person. But when it comes to my husband, he is a miser. He is a miser
Miser,
person.
we do have synonyms for this: miser, stingy, or you can even use tight-fisted.
Okay.
Tight-fisted.
Yes, yes, yes. He is the same.
Tight-fisted.
He is tight-fisted.
Okay,
If there
tight-fisted.
is
Okay.
if there is an expenditure of 1,000 rupees, then he end up spending only 200-300.
Okay, that's great. Money is an important resource and we must not waste it because money
Yeah.
doesn't grow on trees. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And he is very good at bargaining also. Whenever I
Oh,
go to
well, how can we forget bargaining? I would want to know, are you good at bargaining?
No, I'm not good at bargaining. Whenever I have to buy something, for example, my dresses or something expensive, for example, my jewelry or my mobile phone, I prefer to go with my husband because he is very good at bargaining, and I am not good at bargaining. Sometimes he irritates me. He
Okay.
takes a lot of time to bargain. if something is for 1500, he will ask the shopkeeper to give it at 600. So
But don't you
it
think that it is important to negotiate the price?
Yes, definitely it is it is very important, and it is very good if he gets the things at very good prices. It is good,
Hmm.
but still, like sometimes I feel embarrassed and I get irritated when he takes a lot of time and the shopkeeper is not giving the product, and but he is too adamant that he has to take the product at very cheap price.
Okay, I would say that it's completely opposite in your case. Usually, women are the ones who are good at bargaining, and men don't like bargaining, right? But in your case, you must,
It's
appreciate your
opposite.
husband. That yeah, I think it is one of the best skills that one can have. Negotiation, it's
Yes,
important.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you get irritated. So whatever price shopkeeper quotes you, you pay the price and you leave. Is that what you do?
I just ask him to provide it at a best price. If I ask him once that provide me at some good price, he will give me the discount of at least 100, not more than that. If I was good at bargaining, then I will take it at 800 or 600, 700.
Hmm. So if I was, whenever there is a hypothetical situation in front of you, you were just assuming, right? Hypothetically, if I were good at bargaining,
Okay.
right? Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, so far we have talked about shopping experiences. Let me, okay, I'm going to write an idiom. Let's discuss one idiom. I have already written many new words for you in the chat box. Please go through your chat box. And there is one idiom that is cut above the rest. Cut above the rest. What does it mean? Cut above the rest. Have you ever heard it?
No, I haven't heard about it.
Cut above the rest. For
But
example,
about the rest.
I can Okay. I can tell you, Rajni, your jolly nature and cheerful personality makes you a cut above the rest. What does that mean? What can you make
Means
out of this
different,
sentence?
means different from other people.
Yes,
Unique.
yes. It means if something makes you stand out, if something makes you stand out, that is when you can use this idiom, cut above the rest.
Okay.
Okay. For example, his public speaking skills made him a cut above the rest. He's very good at it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give me one example sentence where you can use it?
He's very good at bargaining. That makes him cut about the rest.
Great, wonderful. See, you don't have to make complicated sentences. Sometimes you can put even simple sentences in a very good manner, right? Of advanced, like this is of advanced. This is an advanced expression that you can make use of, but of very good quality, right? So there was a time. Okay, let me discuss the feedback with you, Rajni. So there was a time when you said best price is also there. Best price is also there, so they offer you the best price, right? So minor errors, I would
No,
say.
no, no. Best Price is the name of the mall.
Okay, that is why, because
Yeah.
I was unable to think. I was thinking, what is she saying? So best price, okay, best price, okay, I've never heard of
Just,
it.
just like
Okay,
Reliance
is it
and other malls are there, Best Price
okay?
is also the
Okay,
name of a mall.
wonderful, wonderful, thank you for clearing it up. Otherwise I would have, I was thinking what it could be. Okay, so that's all for today, Rajni. It was nice meeting you again. Take good care of yourself, and I'm hoping to have another session with you very soon. Thank you. Have a great time.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.